Hi beauties, welcome back. Haruharu Wonder Black Rice. Hyaluronic toner is truly a game changer in the world of skincare. As someone with sensitive skin, finding a toner that effectively hydrates and nourishes without causing irritation can be challenging. However, this fragrance-free and hypoallergenic formula has exceeded all my expectations. The toner is packed with star ingredients such as fermented black rice, hyaluronic acid, ginseng, and bamboo shoot extracts, all of which work together to restore elasticity and provide deep hydration to the skin. Thanks to its patented UDT technology, tight, dry, or irritated skin immediately feels moisturized and plump with long-lasting effects. One of the key highlights of this toner is its anti-aging properties. With a high concentration of antioxidants, it serves as an excellent first step in preventing UV damage and targeting fine lines. The combination of fermented black rice and hyaluronic acid not only brightens tired skin but also nourishes it from within. Furthermore, the toner targets multiple skincare concerns, including hydration, moisturization, soothing, and balancing the skin. It promotes a luminous skin tone while strengthening the skin barrier, making it an essential addition to any skincare routine. I particularly appreciate that this toner is free from alcohol and fragrance, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin like mine. The deep, replenishing moisture provided by hyaluronic acid leaves my skin with a dewy glow, while the black rice elixir unveils the power of antioxidants for a radiant complexion. Overall, Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner has become a staple in my skincare regimen. Its lightweight, nourishing formula elevates my skincare ritual, ensuring that my skin is well cared for and rejuvenated with every use. I highly recommend this toner to anyone looking for a hydrating, refreshing, and anti-aging solution for their sensitive skin.